welcome to my channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. In your channel, there are videos related to subjects like English grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics and science. So today we will see subject like social science. In that, today's topic is rail transport. Rail transport or train transport is a means of transferring passengers and goods on wheeled vehicles running on rails which are located on tracks, in contrast to road transport, where vehicles run on prepared flat surface. Rail vehicles' rolling stocks are directionally guided by the tracks on which they run. So, these are the examples of rail transport. These are the different trains which run on tracks. Now let's see the importance of railways. Railways makes it possible to conduct multifarious activities like business, sightseeing, pilgrimage, along with transportation of goods. Today, the railways have become more important than all other means of transport put together. It is suitable for long-distance travel, plays an important role in national integration. Railways guide the economic life of the country. It increases the development of the industry and agriculture. Now, let's see some characteristics of railways. So, it is public utility service, monopoly, only the government handles the railways. Huge investments, privileges, special rate fixations, non-transferability. Let's see some advantages of railway transport. Employment. Railways are an important source of employment in India. Lakhs of skilled and unskilled people are employed in operating the railway. It also creates many opportunities of employment. Encouragement to tourism. The connectivity of railways to various tourist spots gives encouragement to tourism. Railways sell circular tickets to the tourists to remote tourism. Helpful during calamities. During natural calamities, railways help the persons to reach their destination, and these are helpful during famines by carrying good food grains from surplus to affected areas. Social importance. Railways here tied the people in or string. They have shortened the distance and developed the outlook of people. Strategic importance. These are useful for internal security of country and also carry the defense material to various locations during external threat. Help in internal trade. By connecting various areas of the country, railways have made internal trade convenient. They carry goods and passengers to various places easily. Development of agriculture. Railways have commercialized agriculture. Now farmers do not produce for self-consumption only, but also for sale in the market. Growth of markets. Railways have increased the size of the market. Bulky goods can easily be transported by railways. Mobility of labor and capital. Railways have increased the mobility of labor and capital, which has contributed to the rapid industrialization of the country. Disadvantages of railway. Railway accidents. The incidence of railway accidents in our country is greater as compared to other countries of the world. Accident occurs due to the error and negligence of the employees. Attack on railways. The Indian railways had to suffer a heavy loss of crores of rupees. The railways are attacked during the time of disturbance and violences that arise in many parts of the country. outdated technology. The technology used in railways is quite outdated. It needs to be modernized. Problem of replacement. Railway engines, wagons, and other equipments are quite old and this requires replacement. It is a huge expenditure. Problem of laying double line. Most of the railway lines are single lines. It creates great inconvenience to railway organizations and passengers. Travel without tickets. In India, large number of passengers travel without tickets. Indian Railways have to bear extra loss of about 5 crore every year on account of traveling without ticket. Not door-to-door service. Railways do not provide door-to-door service like road transport. So this was all about railways, how railways are important, characteristics of railway, sub-advantages and disadvantages of railway. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any. You can also drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. If you want videos related to any particular topic or subject, then feel free to suggest us. You can also follow the page School Studies on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.